Hey, how's it going? Welcome to another Young Saadi unboxing video. And, today we're going to be getting back into the mix with a fresh unboxing for a set of headphones I recently got. It's going to be the Sony WH-1000XM4. So, there you go. And, hold on. Sorry, it's been a while, so you're going to have to forgive me. Welcome to another Young Saadi unboxing video. And today we're going to be going through a little bit of it's a light unboxing, but it's a set of headphones that I've been wanting to get for a while. I've been using the Bose QC35s for the last few years, which has been great when it comes to a noise canceling, like definitely quality headphones, like through and through. That said, they've been lacking in a couple areas when I think about the sound dynamics that I, as a crazy audiophile person, look for typically in, a nicer pair of headphones. So I went ahead and got the XM4s from Sony. They just recently hit the market. They've been getting incredible reviews. And they were on sale recently as well. So I hooked it up and I went ahead and I picked them up. And I think that if they wow me, then that might become my new kind of daily driver. So I don't know. We're gonna take a look here in just a moment at the actual unboxing video. The setup's a little pieced together, so you're gonna have to forgive some of the framing, but it is a classic unboxing video from like you've seen before in this channel, or if you look through the videos of this channel, you'll see some of the other ones that I've done. So we're going back to the roots there and kicking it back off. There's a lot of stuff, I'll mention it later, probably again, but there's a lot of stuff that's coming out over the month of November that I'm super excited for to be able to unbox as well. To get, but that's really secondary. To unbox is the main thing. That's the only reason I buy these things. Then they just sit. And no, I'm kidding. And I'll probably mention this later as well. But if you want to see my thoughts, my review, or check my Twitter. It's YUNGSAADI, my Twitter handle. If you want to take a look and see my thoughts, my Instagram, my Facebook, I'm all over the place. This is of course here on YouTube, but I do have some other platforms, all under Young Saadi, all spelled that same way. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get over to the unboxing portion of this video, and make sure to like, subscribe, follow, do all the stuff if you enjoy the content, and I will see you around. Well, all right, here we go. So this is, and you're gonna have to pardon the new setup here. This is just temporary, as you can see from the reflection in my face and the setup here. I'm kind of, it's a janky thing, but this is only gonna be temporary. Keep an eye out. I'm just kind of getting back into the flow, back into the mix of doing unboxings regularly. So, this is obviously gonna be improved, but this is kind of what I'm going to be working with for now for these. So let's go ahead and get started. So the Sony WH-1000XM4s. So here we have the box with a couple of key details. It's talking about the noise cancellation being industry leading on a gold panel. So pretty cocky to put on a box, but sure, why not? Let's go for it. Okay. Talks about the wireless capabilities through Bluetooth. 30-hour listen time, which is just ridiculous. It has support for Google Assistant, Alexa, their version of surround, sound software, built-in firmware maybe, and then high-res audio wireless. So all the typical stuff here, and then of course the title of it. This is not the connection port, although I thought it was. From the videos, this is actually, because I was like, oh, it looks a lot like a USB-C, but this is actually just a little I think it's just part of the design, honestly. And then the back here just talks about some of the touch control features on the side of it. The carrying case talks about the music playback, quick charge. It is USB Type-C, so the quick charge there, if you want to take a look, it's showing 10 minutes, which is crazy. 10 minutes to play up to 5 hours there. So that is wild. And then, you know, some of the other peripherals here you typically get. Once like I can fly again comfortably, I will make sure to utilize the adapter, and this will be what I'll take with me. I think actually maybe, depending on how it sounds, over the QC35s. Bold statement, but you know, I don't know. Bose has been shown for a while, and I'm very excited to see what Sony's got. So let's go ahead and get into it here. Just gonna try not to cut myself. This right there. Beautiful. Okay, that's all we need. So from there, I'm just gonna go ahead and open that up. Fantastic. All right. Okay. Good stuff. Ooh, okay. The box is a little more sturdy than, like, of the material than what I'm used to. All right, cool. So a very easy setup, which will be, I'll be doing a little later on, giving it a test and whatnot. And I think I'm gonna start updating, like, some of my social media stuff with thoughts and, you know, stuff like that from the reviews. So keep an eye out. There are going to be more unboxings. This is just the first one to get back into the flow of things in a while. So yeah, but it gives you you download the app and you power on the headphones. It's pretty much as easy as that. It's available on App Store and the Google Play Store. And say, oh, it's an easy setup. It's easy peasy. So we open that up. This is the case right off the bat. Pretty nice quality. You can kind of see, like, the material here is a little more of a kind of like a fiber material, but it's got a good grip too. It feels pretty sturdy. And so little spot, a little pocket in the back here. You got a little spot to hang it. If you're taking it with you, like traveling or anything like that, you'll have a spot to do that. And then you'll have all the warranty information and I'm sure stickers and whatnot in there. So move that over. And cool. So here we have the case for it with the zipper just like tucked in right there. So we're gonna pull that and then okay. All right. So without further ado, the Sony XM4s. Wow. Right off the bat, just like first peek here, you can really tell that just like the matte finish is definitely doing it some favors right now. That looks awesome. And then like the bronze lining on the Sony logo, as well as like these little, you know, openings right here. Wowzers. And then all the accessories and a nice little like cushion material in between them. So it's very similar if you've messed with the Bose QC35s before, then this should look very, very familiar here in the fold style, because that's kind of a similar design. So let's go ahead and take these out here. Wow, wowie. There it is. And they're super light. They're actually super, super lightweight. So they also have that on the Bose. So, oh my God, look out. Wow, and they do a left and right in different colors. That's going to actually help a bunch because I'm always looking at that. I'm a big dork about that, and it's really nice that it's different colors. So that's really cool. So let me just open it up. Oh my goodness, yeah, this just feels light, but just still sturdy. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but the pieces feel firm. You know, if this is like a plastic material, then it feels very, very firm. But at the same time, super, super light. And very, very, just, it's going to give you a lot of like comfort. I can tell from, you know, it looks like they mentioned that like the cups are now larger. You have that little opening right there. This is the sensor for like detection. Like when you take them off, it will know that it's off of your head. So that's really cool. You'll see that right on, right in the inside there. And then you got your buttons on the side here. Custom button, I'm thinking for voice assistant capabilities. You have the power button right there. There is an audio jack option as well if you want to go wired. And then there is the USB Type-C connector, as well as a little charge indicator light. So that's pretty dope. And then, yeah, these are, it looks like just part of the design as well, right? For the audio to properly be canceled out. And for it to pick up feedback to know which frequencies to be canceling out. And then like little touch pad right here. So that is, that's the headphones. Put those right over there. And then this little breakdown. This is very nice because I need visuals. I'm a visual guy. Like, that's just, thank you very much for the Dr. Seuss of like how to put your headphones back in. That's not sarcastic. I'm actually, this helps out. So this is the adapter, right? Nothing new here, really. You're also going to have the charge cable, it looks like, which is a pretty... They didn't want to go too crazy with the length, it looks like. So USB Type C to USB Type A, pretty typical. Well, nowadays, not so much a few years ago. And then the very last thing here, we have a standard auxiliary 3.5 to 3.5. Pretty straightforward. And then that, of course, would go into this adapter piece right here if you want to use it, but otherwise you can use it going straight into the bottom of the headphones right here. All right, pop it in there. This one obviously will go on the device itself, but yeah, just like that. And then with this, if you have an Apple device that's more recent, of course, you want to use the adapter. If you have an Android device that's not like a Galaxy, I think at this point, then you should be fine. So yeah, so there's that, and I think close them up here, throw that all back in the burp, and for what I'm guessing will be my thumbnail, because I gotta start doing those. And there they are, the Sony WH-1000XM4s. Again, stay posted on my, oh wow, good squish. Stay posted on my, my Twitter, my Instagram, or my Facebook. Probably Twitter for the actual product review updates. But all of it's under Young Saadi, spelled YUNGSAADI. I will be doing more unboxing over some of the more exciting releases in the month of November, but for the time being, just stay tuned. I do gaming streams, I do music streams, and then of course, like, I'll be beefing up the YouTube channel as well to add in some new content, which I haven't done in a good long while. So if you've been hanging out, then I got some pretty great stuff on the way. If you're fresh to the channel, welcome. I hope there's some pretty cool stuff for you here. If you're a tech head, you might find some of these unboxing videos pretty neat as well. But with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and send the video off on that note. So feel free to follow me, like, subscribe, do all that stuff, if you enjoy the content. And yeah, till next time. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.